Hello everybody, today you're going to learn some exercises that are going to make your arms stronger, you're going to improve your back strength, shoulder stability and posture. Make sure to do video number 1 that is about improving the mobility of the shoulders before you start this one. This is number 2. So the only thing that you're going to need is a stick. So you can do this one lying down on your back or sit. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab the stick in front of you or a broom and you inhale and make sure that your arm is aligned with the shoulder. Arm aligned with the shoulder, okay? Right there. And then when you inhale, you inhale and then you exhale, you bring it over you. We're going to do it 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Number 2, inhale. Exhale. Number 3, inhale. Exhale. Number 4, inhale. Exhale. Number 5. Okay, the next exercise that you're going to do, is going to be the same. You're going to hold, it's different. Your hands in front of you, hand aligned with your shoulder, and what you're going to do is the same. You inhale first, then you exhale, and you're going to do a big circle, okay? These are going to make your shoulders stronger, and it's very important to include the breathing, because when you include the breathing, you activate the muscles better. With the exhalation, you don't hold your breath, you activate the muscles better. With the exhalation, you activate deeper muscles to get stronger. So ready? In front of you, inhale. Exhale, bring it over you. Make a big circle. You can bring it on top of your leg if you want. And to the other in front of you. Inhale. Exhale. Hands close to your chest. Bring it all down. You can slide the stick on your legs and bring it up. Number 2. Inhale. Exhale. It's okay if you are inhaling here. Slide the stick on your legs. Bring it up. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the hands close to your chest. And slowly bring the stick down, sliding on your legs. Bring it up. Inhale. Exhale, bring it over you. Slowly bring the stick down. Slide the stick on top of your legs. Bring it up. Inhale. Exhale, bring the stick toward you. Slowly bring it down. Slide the stick on your legs. Bring it up. And one more time. Inhale. Exhale. And do the same movement. You're going to start feeling like a muscles working out. That's a good sign. Like a pain that muscles are working out. Being active is good. I would suggest to do just 5 repetitions because you are just getting stronger. Your arms are feeling weak. Maintain at 90 degrees. No movements over the head yet because your arms are healing, after a surgery, after a mastectomy, lymph node removal. This all is still healing, so just help the body to bring more blood flow, to help the body to maintain the elasticity on the tissue by keeping the arms here, and that's going to help you to recover faster. It's going to help you with the pain because you're bringing more blood flow. It's going to help you to remove excess of fluids, can also produce inflammation, so it's very beneficial for you. And the other one more that I have, I will show you. So you will be standing. I feel like I need to bring this up like that. It's gonna carry my head. Okay. There. So the other one that you are going to do, you are going to grab the stick behind your back, like that, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to make sure that your feet are aligned with your hip. that your pelvis is neutral. That means that imagine that your city bone is vertical with the floor, so not like that, vertical. And then you're going to grab the stick from the back, and you're going to slowly inhale, and then exhale, bring it up on top of your bottom, and exhale. What I want you to do, make sure that the shoulders are not going forward, that the shoulders stay back. So because that's going to make the back stronger. So inhale, exhale, bring it up. Inhale, bring it down. Again, inhale, bring it up. I'm sorry, inhale first. Exhale, bring it up. And then bring it down. Very slow. Go synchronize with the breathing. Inhale, exhale, bring the stick up on top of your bottom and then the shoulders back. And you will feel how the stretch on the front and how the back gets stronger. And then go. Inhale, exhale, bring it up. And then bring it down. It's just sliding. You see how effortless are these movements. Are effortless, but if you are dealing with some discomfort, you are healing, they're going to be kind of hard. Again, inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch on top of the chest and bring it down. You do it 5 times, probably feel like I did it more, but it's okay. Inhale, exhale, bring it up, contract the shoulder blades on the back, feel the stretch on the front of the chest, and exhale. Okay, so those are the exercises that you're going to do to start working out, to start making your upper extremities stronger, you're improving the stability on the shoulder blades, making a better posture. And remember, these are all going to be below 90 degrees because you want gentle exercises to start getting stronger, and these exercises are going to help you to be able later on to bring the arms higher, to grab something on a cabinet, always higher. That will be easier. Okay, I hope you like this video. If, don't forget to write down if you have any questions about it. Don't forget to watch the previous videos so you do a sequence and you go gentle with the to improve your strength. What else I wanted to tell you? Have a beautiful day and see you next time with more videos. And if you have any specific thing that you want to learn, please write it down. I will be happy to help you. Okay? Bye bye.